Well, it wasn't a very pleasant way to start off the week across central Illinois. We had mostly cloudy skies in place and even some rain showers and freezing rain earlier today across central Illinois. Right now, looking at our weather bug camera, the mostly cloudy skies remain in place out there. Temperatures are in the upper 30s. Feeling colder than that, though, we've had a blustery easterly wind out there today, too. So it's feeling like 31 degrees if you're headed out this evening. And with that east wind at 10 miles an hour. And now we're tracking the potential for more rain as we get into the overnight hours. But as for this morning, here's a look at some of the storm reports that came in. And all these markers here are indications of some freezing rain that was reported to the National Weather Service. So there was a report of glaze in many communities across central Illinois. Even as far south as Effingham, there was one there. We had it here in Charleston. Most of this activity stayed up in the trees, but the roads stayed dry. However, further up to the north, where they had that freezing rain a little bit longer, there were some limbs knocked down and some trees and power outages across parts of Champaign and Vermilion counties. So we did have a dose of winter weather, but now our attention turns to the potential for storms as we go into the overnight hours tonight. Satellite radar right now shows the mostly cloudy skies that remain in place locally. Here's the first round of precipitation that moved through this morning. It's lifting up through Indiana and Michigan. But here to the southwest, we're watching this activity out across Missouri. There are even some tornado warnings tonight across parts of the Show Me State. I'm not anticipating any severe weather as this activity pushes off to the east, but we are expecting more showers and maybe even some rumbles of thunder as we get into the overnight hours. You can see where the temperatures are a lot warmer. There's a warm front down across the land of Lincoln. 65 right now down in Carbondale, but 42 in Springfield, 32 up in Chicago. Locally, again, temperatures warmer to the south, 40 in Effingham and in Robinson, 38 here in Charleston and in Decatur, and it's currently 36 in Paris. Now, on top of all the precipitation we had, as I mentioned, it was very blustery today. Here's some of the peak wind gusts that have come in. 52-mile-an-hour wind gust up in Champaign, 48 for Decatur and Charleston, a little bit less, but still 38-mile-an-hour gusts in Paris and in Taylorville earlier today. So it's definitely a windy day, and we're going to hold on to that as we get into the overnight hours until the second system clears out of the region. Sustained winds right now remain out of the east, anywhere from about 10 to 20 miles an hour across central Illinois. So we'll pick up Futurecast, let you know when this rain's expected to come. For the next few hours will be dry, but if you have any late evening plans, then you'll want the rain gear. Here comes that next round of rain coming out of Missouri. You'll see those pockets of some moderate to heavy rain and potentially some thunderstorms embedded in there, but it'll be moving out of here pretty quickly. So by the time we get past midnight, most of that activity is over with. However, going into Tuesday, we're going to hold on to the mostly cloudy skies. So unfortunately, not going to be the prettiest day for Tuesday, but it will be a little bit warmer. We'll see highs back into the 50s. Now our attention turns to Wednesday when we're tracking the next chance of rain. We're going to have a low pressure system come up out of the south. We're going to see highs back in the upper 50s, sunshine to start the day, but the showers and even some more thunderstorms. Some of those could even be on the stronger side as we get into Wednesday evening, and the rain will last all the way to the time we get through Thursday with this low pressure system tracking right up into our region. Before tonight, again, some showers and isolated thunderstorms going to be a possibility. Overnight low down to 39 degrees. East wind remaining blustery with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Then for tomorrow, high of 54 degrees. May have some patchy fog in the morning after all the rain we've seen today, and then we'll see those temperatures climbing back into the 50s through the afternoon. And as we look the next 7 days, St. Patrick's Day again, a little bit of half and half, the sunshine to start the day, and then the rain showers arriving. That'll cool us back down into the 40s as we get into Friday. But spring arrives on Saturday, and we're looking at temperatures warming back into the middle 50s and then making it into the lower 60s as we get into Sunday, going into Monday when we see another chance of rain.